Hey, what's up guys? Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. It's a wireless Bluetooth microphone suitable for smartphones and tablets. The SmartMike Plus is a tiny little microphone. You can see weighs only 14 grams and is suitable for, of course, Android and iOS devices, and it offers active noise cancelling as well as a real-time audio monitoring. What I like about this is the size, and actually you could just clip that onto your shirt and start recording. There's a little red button here which you can use for Bluetooth connection and also use it as a remote control for recording and things like that. What I like about this microphone is that it has a 3.5mm TRS connector, which allows you then to connect extra microphones or headsets. And yeah, it offers a recording distance of around about 15 meters, which is more than enough. And I can see myself using this a lot. And it's perfect for vloggers and people who are on the go who just wants to have a nice recording using their mobile phones. Yeah, so we'll do a quick unboxing and see how it works, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. It's compatible with the Apple iOS and the Android. Okay, it's a Bluetooth wireless microphone, and it's suitable for vlogging, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's take a look inside the box. Alright, here we go. And here we have the actual microphone itself. It's quite small. I quite like the size of it. Let's have a look at the accessories first. Okay, here we have a dead cat, is what you call a dead cat. Wind-proof shield. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then we have the actual sponge for the microphone. Quite nice. We also have the USB charging cable. And we have an earphone for real-time monitoring of the audio. And I quite like that as well. Alright. We also have the quick start guide and some information about the manual there. All right. Okay, let's have a look at the microphone itself. Just and kind of hook that. Here we go. All right, here we have the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. It's quite a small, compact wireless microphone. And here we have the actual switch there, and you hold that then to connect up with the Bluetooth, and you can use that as a remote control to start recording as well. There's the USB charging port. Okay, and then we have a little microphone there, you can see that right there, and also a earphone jack. Well, it's actually a 4-pin TRS connector, so I'm sure you can actually put a headset, an extra mic, for example, and things like that as well. Okay, and you can see the clip, and you can clip that onto your shirt and things like that. So yeah, very nice, compact. Let's pair this up with the Bluetooth and see how it works. I'm interested in the actual audio quality and see how far you can actually record in terms of distance. It's perfect for vloggers and people on the go who wants to do recording wirelessly with their phone. And yeah, here's a quick unboxing of the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. Alright, so this is with the internal mic on the phone, of the iPhone. So you can see the difference, you can hear the difference. I'm walking away now and my voice is getting fainter and fainter. There's probably a lot of background noise, so yeah, definitely a difference in terms of audio quality. Pretty small. I'm gonna actually clip it onto my shirt right here, and this is with the mic on my shirt, and I'm walking away from the camera, so you can see it's pretty loud, and this is about 15 feet now, so 20 feet. Pretty this, you know, so yeah, not bad. Good audio, and really like it actually. It's not too bad. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus, a Bluetooth wireless microphone suitable for smartphones and tablets. It's perfect for vloggers and people on the go, and offers a recording distance of around about 15 meters with active noise cancelling and real-time audio monitoring. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.